Hey guys, welcome to my channel. On my channel, I create content around lifestyle. If you like the content that I make, please do support my channel. Do hit on the subscribe button and also share my videos. Thanks for checking in. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make these incredibly good looking and gorgeous chocolate cookies. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take half cup of wheat flour. To that, I'm going to add a very high in fiber bran. So almost half cup of wheat bran as well. Now one thing about wheat bran is that it's very high in fiber. It helps you to manage your weight and manage your cholesterol. To this, I'm going to add 2 to 3 spoons of oats. Honestly, you can take the dry ingredient in any ratio that suits you. And bran makes the entire cookie melt in your mouth. It makes it all the more delicious. Up next, I'm going to take cocoa powder. I'm going to add generous 3 spoons of cocoa powder to all the dry ingredients. You can add a little more if you would want your cookie to be more chocolatey. Up next, I'm going to add a pinch of salt to all the dry ingredients. And then I'm going to take a baking powder. Just 1 spoon of baking powder is good to go. But you can try making this cookie without the baking powder as well. Both ways works for me. I'm going to combine all of the dry ingredients. If you'd like, you can also sieve it through just to ensure that there are no lumps. But I don't mind being a little messy. To this, I'm going to add 3 spoons of peanut butter. This makes the cookie very nutty. It gives a peanut nutty, earthy flavor. But if you don't like peanut butter, you might as well add low cholesterol, low fat butter, whatever suits you. I like peanut butter, so I'm going to add peanut butter. I'm going to combine all the ingredients. You can use your hands too. Just try mixing all of this up. Up next, I'm going to take almost half cup of jaggery, but you might as well add white sugar, brown sugar, whatever you prefer. But I prefer jaggery. Then I'm going to add about 3/4 spoons of cold milk, and I'm going to combine it through. You can honestly use your hands to do so, but right now I'm just going to use a spoon. Just ensure that you form a good dough out of it. So finally my dough is ready, and I'm going to take a spoon of this dough and I'm going to use a cookie cutter to give it a shape of a cookie. So just 1 spoon of this dough straight into the cookie cutter, and I'm going to compress it precisely with a spoon, trying to give it a good shape. You can also make balls with your hands and then press it between your palm and just make round, generous cookies. Once it's done, I'm going to Just try taking out this cookie out of the cookie cutter. There you go. Not bad for the first time, although it was cracking from in between, but off of the camera, I'm going to prepare all my cookies. Finally, all my cookies are ready. They look fine, they are not breaking from between. And I'm going to now put all the cookies into the air fryer. You can use OTG oven as well, but I'm going to use air fryer for now. I'm going to set my air fryer on 180 degrees Celsius. And for the time, you can keep the time between 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on your device. Honestly, I try to, kind of keep it for 15 minutes. Finally, my cookies are ready. They are out from the air fryer, and my cookies were very crisp. The flavor of peanut butter combined with Bran gave it a very earthy kind of a flavor. You can enjoy your cookies with coffee, with milk. One good thing about my cookies is that these cookies are extremely healthy, so you might want to try this recipe and probably have incorporate this recipe in your regime and let me know your feedback in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like the content and if you would like to support my channel, please subscribe to my channel and share the video as much as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye.